video. So if you look at this one is also a past paper equation. So you will find it in your past papers. I think it is between 2017 and 2016. You will find this kind of equation. So when you are given that y is x over 1 minus x, find dy dx using first principle. Find dy dx using first principle. And you are given y to be x over 1 minus x. I want you to know that the formula of first principle is the same. So I will just start, you know very well that y is the same as f of x, such that my f of x will be x minus 1 minus x. So, where there is x, now the formula, let's go to the formula. So when I want to find f prime of x, which is the same as dy dx, I will use when the limit h is approaching 0, x plus h minus f of x all over h. Now, my f of x is this one here. So where there is x, I will have to place this. Whether it is on the denominator or the numerator, I will have to replace it with all of this now. So I will have f prime x limit when h is approaching 0. So I will have x of x. So x of x means I will have h plus x all over 1 minus x plus h minus f of x, which is all of that equation, x over 1 minus x. Everything you divide by h. Now when you reach here, what you do, you will find the LCM between 1 minus in bracket x plus h and 1 minus x. So that is the same as when I have, remember we are finding f prime x, limit when h is approaching 0, such that the LCM of those two is x 1 minus x into bracket 1 minus x plus h. So that's the LCM between 1 minus x into 1 minus into x plus h and 1 minus x. So then you will start by looking at this. 1 minus into x plus h is going in this LCM how many times? So you'll find that this and this will cancel, such that we'll have this one. So this one, 1 minus x, you will multiply with this one here, such that we have 1 minus x into x plus h minus, look at this now. You look at this one, 1 minus x going to this LCM, how many times? It goes 1 minus 1 minus x plus h times all of this. So you'll have 1 minus into x plus h, x, multiply by x, and everything is over h. Don't forget this. So from there you can start h plus h. Then I got negative x times x, that is negative x square. Negative x times h, negative xh. Then I go to this other side. So I just have x times this one. I will have that. X minus x times this one will be negative x square. Then x times this one will be negative xh. Will be plus xh, I mean, plus xh. Then, from there, you will, now we have this, everything all over the LCM, which is 1 minus x into 1 minus x plus h. Everything all over h still. Then, from here you can cancel out that which we have to cancel. As you can see, we have positive x, we have negative x. So it means this and this will go. I have this one here. I have this one here. X square and x square. So x hapa kuna plus. So hii na hii itaenda. Then this is what I'm going to remain with. It should be this one. Yeah, we have to start from here. We are going to confuse them. But x, when the limit h is approaching 0, so let us open this bracket. So 1 times x, that is x. 1 times h plus h. Then negative x times x, that is negative x squared. Negative x times h is negative xh. Minus negative x times this one, we have, that one will be minus x. Negative x times that one will be plus x squared. Negative x times that one will be negative xh. And everything all over 1 minus x, 1 minus x plus h all over h. Now, when we reach here, what we are going to do is to cancel out those which can cancel themselves. Like if you look at this one, x is positive and this one is negative. So it means they will go. H, there is no h the other side. X squared, this one is positive, this one is negative. It will go. So I have h and I also have negative xh. So when I take negative xh minus xh, so I will have h minus 2xh all over 1 minus x, 1 minus x plus h over h. Now, I want to multiply this with the reciprocal of this. I want to multiply the equation with the reciprocal of 1 minus x plus this one plus x plus h. So we just take 1 over h, which I will have now h minus 2x plus h, 2xh all over 1 minus x, 1 minus x plus h. Remember your limit, h is approaching 0, h is a limit, h is approaching 0. Now I am going to up here. So when I look at this, I have h here, I also have h here. So what I can do is to factorize all of h, such that I will have h. And this, remember, we multiply, so it comes here. This h is coming here. So then I have h, and the limit, h is approaching 0. So we'll have h into 1 minus 2x. Everything all over h into 1 minus x into 1 minus x plus h. So this h and this h can cancel themselves out. That I will have on the limit, h is approaching 0. I will have 1 minus 2x all over 1 minus x, 1 minus x plus h. Now, at this point, I can say that when h, so this way I'm using the limit, is equal to 0. So when there is h, I will replace with 0, such that I will have 1 minus 2x all over 1 minus x, 1 minus x plus 0. Then, so this is what I remain with, 1 minus 2x, 1 minus x, of course that is 1 minus x. Then my dy dx now, which I said is the same as f prime x, is 1 minus 2x over 1 minus x squared.